Okay guys, as promised, I'm going to show you how to install the diffuser for your EASTWOOD powder coat gun. It's really easy. I'll just go through it with you real quick. Now, this is the standard diffuser that comes with it. Matter of fact, I say standard diffuser, it only comes with one diffuser. It's not like you have options, all right? That's what we're having this video for. That's the reason why I came out with this product, to help this work more efficiently. This diffuser, it's just a press fit, finger tight press fit. You just pull it right off, okay? You lay this off to the side. Do not throw it away. It may come in handy one day. For what reason, I don't know, but just don't throw it away. Now, you open up your package, and there will be two items in there, along with my business cards. The actual diffuser itself and the column tube. That's just the name I gave it because it brings the powder cloud down into a straight column, or a more manageable one anyway. First thing you do is you take your diffuser and just press it on. Now it's going to be firm. It's supposed to be firm. Okay, just press it on as far as you can get it. Do not use a hammer on it, okay? If need be, you can grab a hold of the electrode with some needle nose pliers to kind of give it some backing, because it's, I won't say fragile, but you don't want to apply too much pressure to it. Anyway, just push this on there. It'll go on about anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 inch. It won't go any more than 1/2 inch because that's as deep as the hole is. Then you take this, and it's just a slip fit. Right on. That's it. Period. Easy peasy. And you're ready to go, literally. That's all you have to do. It's ready to rock. Now, if you do have a problem with getting this diffuser on, all you need to do is take some 400 or 320 emery cloth and just clean this up, okay? It might have a burr on it, or it might be a little oversized. What this is a standard gauge rod, 0.089 thousandths in diameter. Now, when I say 0.089, their standard is not verbatim dead on all the time. They do have a tolerance. That tolerance, I don't know what it is off the top of my head, but it will vary, maybe at the most 0.2 to 0.5 of a thousandth, 0.5 thousandth. Typically they're right on. So you should just have a firm press fit with your fingers. That's it. Like I said, if it's too firm, take some emery cloth to it, shine it up a little bit right on the tip. This will slide right on. And if you get one that just slides on too loosely, easy fix. All you do is right here, this skirt is really thin. I don't know if the camera will focus on it this close. Slide it on, press it down firmly with some needle nose pliers, and you're good to go. But I doubt seriously it's going to be loose. Twist this on while pressing. Take your tube, push it on. That's it. Okay, if you're looking to purchase one of these kits, I'm selling them on eBay. Now, I'll have this down in the comment section, so just go down there. It'll all be listed, the title and also the eBay item number. And you'll easily be able to find it on eBay searching for it like that. I hope you guys get a lot of really good use out of this. And if so, let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I'm coming out with another video. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.